COVID-19 pandemic gave challenges for societies all around the world as it spread rapidly, causing to change the way we work and live, and brought about major ethical challenges, and thus a third International Bioethics Conference under the sponsorship of Sultan Qaboos University, Ministry of Health and UNESCO is being organized in Muscat to address contemporary and emerging bioethical challenges and issues from pandemics, crisis to healthcare resilience.
This conference will address the issues of COVID-19 and what to expect if we have another COVID-19 in terms of healthcare, in terms of manpower, in terms of facilities, and in terms of after effect of COVID-19. And according to authorities who are expert in this field, they are assuring us, according to the WHO, that another wave is coming. So this conference is very, very important to address the past mistakes, the current status, and what to expect.
Over 3 days, a number of key ethical issues will be discussed by local and international experts, including healthcare resilience, prioritization of services, resources and vaccines, human challenges studies in times of crisis, and many, many more.
It's a great pleasure to be here for the second time in Oman at this conference on ethics and pandemic preparedness, a key subject after COVID-19. And I'm very glad that Oman is taking such a leadership role in the world on bioethics, having organized already the third international conference and the second regional summit of all national ethics committees.
The conference will explore how the use of technology, digital tracing apps, and artificial intelligence that has revolutionized healthcare during the pandemic, but also created many unknowns and sensitive ethical and social issues.
After the pandemic, a lot of things has become different than before. So even the way of thinking, implementing the bioethics principle is completely now coming from different era or different version, because we need to consider justice and how we consider our resources and give the health care for everyone. So I'm thanking Oman to conduct this international after the epidemic of the COVID.
The conference will also address how regulatory measures beyond legislation can aid to advance the aims and objectives of bioethics and legislations, especially with the rapidly changing fields of science and medicine. The fast-paced advances in medicines and complexity of emerging technologies call for more responsive and flexible legislations and regulations. Hence, this conference highlights the necessity of outlining a global bioethical framework for pandemic management rooted in human rights. From Sultan Qaboos University, I'm Abdallah bin Ahmed Rubaiey, Sultanate of Oman Television.